Well, hey folks, welcome back. Hope you are all well. Now in this video we're going to be doing an install of the Evotech Performance Tail Tidy for the KTM. It's a tail tidy I've been wanting for ages but never really got round to doing it, and now it's a perfect opportunity, now that we're all stuck indoors, to get a video done on it. It's not going to be a sort of a how-to install video as such. It's going to be a bit of an insight and show you how much of a nightmare I had to install it on the bike. Now it does claim to be sort of plug and play, easy installation, but I had an absolute nightmare with it. So without further ado, let's check it out. So first things first, we have to remove the old hideous tail tidy. Now Evotech, they don't send you in any instructions, but you can download them from their website. So let's get on with it. Now the good thing about the Evotech tail tidy is it retains all the OEM indicators, wiring, LED, number plate light, so it's really just a case of plug and play. If I can get this cable out. Oh, come on, you bastard. Now this is obviously your indicators and the number plate light. It's an absolute pain in the cock. Right, that is then disconnected. Damn, that's more. Oh, and this by magic just falls off. In fact, I didn't have to take that one off. That's for the rear lights. So it's just that one cable for your indicators and your number plate light. Magic. Ugh. As if by magic, nothing happens. Pull down. What do I pull down? Sweet Jesus. What a nightmare. I'm pulling down. What's happening? Phone's upside down. An idiot. Christ alive. Watch me break it. Yo! We have a winner. Yuck. KTM, sort your connectors out, because these are absolute tunk. Right, raise that off. So we still need this part here. We'll get that off in a second. There's 2 bolts in there. Is this just as disgustingly hard to get off? Probably. No. Bosh. Straight out. Bosh. I'm not sure if we still need that. Disgusting. One indicator. Second indicator. Don't need that bit. Easy enough. Don't need that. It just looks so much better, doesn't it? And if I was to take the blooming rear foot pegs off and all, just clean up that arse end. Something to think about. So look in my box of tricks here. This bit. Very nice. It's all aluminium and powder coated. It's really great finish. Although Evotech is probably the most expensive, they are the best. And I've got the Evotech Rad Guards. I've always had them from Evotech. It's really good quality stuff. So worth the spend, I'd say. Back over to the bag of goodies. Okay, with you now. This has to go in there. Some sort of spacer. I didn't take into account which was the left and which was right. I hope that's not going to be an issue now that I've snug that up. It's definitely a fiddly job. I think how it was described when I was buying it. plug and play easy fitment is slightly out. If you're not too handy on the spanners, it could be a bit of a pain in the cock. Next out of my goodie bag, one of them. I imagine there's two of. What's left and what's right, it does not. Oh god, you watch me put them on the wrong way now. Good god, just like that, you know. Not sure about these cables. This is not exactly easy with even two hands. God, this is going to be a long video. You see what I mean? If I've got these indicators around the wrong way, could be disastrous. Does green go to green? Indicators, tail light. So that was my tail lights. That didn't need to be connected. That is now on. Let there be light. Oh, tail light works. Please be left. There you go. I've got the indicators on the wrong way. I knew it was happening. I knew it. Damn you all to hell. Well, I'm not gonna let you go through that onslaught. I'll get them swapped over and I'll catch you in a sec. So, as if by magic, and many swear words later, we can try this again. Although thinking about it, I probably could have just swapped the cables over. And it would have probably worked the same. LED light on. Left. Bosh. Right. Bosh. Working. Three bolts. 3 nuts. 3 screws. Whatever you want to call them. Very good quality. This is really nice. Awesome. Not too big. No, we're in. Yeah, this is a nightmare job. If you're thinking about getting one of these, it's definitely fiddly and a pain in the plums. Can I get that? Got 2 in. The third one is going to be an issue. Should I screw it on first before? Yes, I think I'll screw it in first and then fuck about with that afterwards. Bosh, it's on. Yeah, it looks mega. Now, rather than screwing the number plate just onto this bracket here, my number plate's about so big, I've ordered another bracket that sits on the top there, because I have to have legally I have to have a red reflector under the number plate there. So yeah, waiting for that to arrive in the post. Just snug these up now, I suppose. Oh no, we need to wire it up first. Shizzle. Yeah, so this was down in the original tail tidy, so it's all a bit too big and too much, but we shall have to find somewhere to tuck it in. That's really short there. How are we going to get all this through this shitty little... Oh my good god. Give me a break, will you? Rubber grommet has to go back in, because otherwise all the rain and water will piss in there later. I definitely like these resistors to come through. That is all I'm getting though. I don't really want them sticking up. I think I'm going to have another fiddle with this. So with much faffery, I've had to make these cables shorter, so I've been having to pinch cables and twist them how I didn't really want them to get the connectors a bit shorter. So now we've got a bit more play. Absolute nightmare of a job this, if you're thinking about doing it. Now it's on. So what we've got left to do now, let's get this rubber grommet back on, then we are job done. All my gubbins can go back in. Job done. One Evotech Performance Tail Tidy. Nightmare. Well, there you have it. Clearly you could see how much of a nightmare I had installing that onto the bike, and I had to, although I trimmed the video down to sort of 10 minutes, I actually took that on and off the bike at least 5 or 6 times and completely had to strip it down. It was an absolute nightmare, but claims to be plug and play and easy installation, but I mean, I can work a spanner or two, but I found that an absolute nightmare. But there you go. There are a couple of things I have to change on it. For it to be road legal here in Germany, the indicators have to be minimum spacing of 180 millimeters, and that is less than 180. So I've emailed Evotech to see if they've got any larger spaces for the indicators, just to push them out that bit further for it to be road legal. Still waiting on the second part for the number plate bracket, so I can mount a red reflector underneath the number plate. Also a legal requirement here in Germany for it to be road legal. If you are looking to get a tail tidy for your bike, just be aware it is a bit of a nightmare install. If you are interested in Evotech's Performance tail tidies, I'll stick a link to their website in the description below. This isn't a sponsored video. I bought this tail tidy with my own cash, just because it's a part that I've always wanted and never really got around to getting one. So, well, there you go. That is it for today. Hopefully you've taken away something from the video and it has been of interest to you. If you are new to the channel and you like what you saw, be sure to leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to hit that bell icon to make sure you're notified every time I upload a video. Garage videos are just a small part of my channel. The rest of my content is normally filled with rides out, trips away, touring videos, etc. Normal sort of motor vlog stuff. So if you are interested in that, as I said, be sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll catch you next time. Take care, ride safe. See you in the next one.